Welcome to the Cobot lesson on using the Robot Operations tab. The Robot Operations tab allows you to manipulate and position the arm through the Teach Pendant control. Now, let's discuss the different settings within the Robot Operations tab. Choosing Free Mode under the Manual Guided Teaching tab allows you to move the robot in any orientation by hand. Translation Mode allows you to move the robot arm without changing the torch angle. Rotation Mode allows you to move the robot around a point in space. The Teaching Weight slider under the Manual Guided Teaching tab allows you to adjust the force needed to manually move the arm. The Light setting is used in coarse adjustments, while the Heavy setting is recommended for fine-tuning. Move the wire speed toggle from normal to high to increase manual wire feed speed control. Use the wire inching buttons to increase or decrease your contact to tip work distance, also known as wire stick out. Use the gas purge toggle to purge the gas line. Now you can confidently use the Robot Operations tab on the Cobot. Thank you. Be sure to check out our library of videos for more tips and troubleshooting information related to your Lincoln Electric Cobot.